Greetings children. Today we will start a new chapter. Chapter number 2, Maps are Guides. Chapter 2, Maps are Guides. So what is a map? Map is a drawing of a part or a whole of the earth's surface. See, this is a map. This is map of India. And this is also a map. This is map of world. And this is the map of our classroom. So, it can be drawn on a flat surface or paper. Next is, we can draw the map of a classroom as we have drawn. We can draw the map of the whole world, the map of the India, map of state, map of any city, any village, any town, any classroom, any school. What is cartography? The art of map making is called cartography. And who are cartographers? The persons, the people who draw the maps are called cartographers. Now we are discussing about uses of maps. First use of map is, map provides us variety of information. It also shows continents, mountains, states, capitals, everything they show us. And maps are easier to carry also. See, this is the map. I can easily fold it. Can you fold it?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you roll it?
Yes, ma'am.
You can easily roll it. And you can bring it to school. It means map are easy to carry. It can be folded. It can be kept in your bag. It can be pasted in your notebook. And it can be hung on the
Wall.
Now let's talk about the limitations of globe. Can you carry globe anywhere?
No.
We cannot carry globe anywhere. Ridhima, can globe be folded?
No.
No, it cannot be folded. Yes, can it show the detailed information? It cannot show. But these all things are possible in maps. However, maps are not as accurate as the globe because globe shows that Earth is spherical in shape, but in maps we cannot see the exact shape of our Earth. Now let's see what is Atlas. This is a book of map and this is called Atlas. It is having so many maps. Political map of India. This is also map. This is physical map of India. This is drainage and lakes map. So, the book of map is called
Atlas.
Now, let's discuss about types of maps. There are basically so many types of maps, but today we will study about two types of maps, that is physical map and political map. Let's see the political map of India. This is political map of India. In political map, all the boundaries of states and capitals are clearly visible. It means all the governmental boundaries is visible in the political map. And what about physical map? This is physical map of India. Physical map shows all the physical features of our map. Now look here, it shows physical features means mountains, plains, plateaus, ghats, water bodies, that is rivers. These all the blue lines shows rivers. Our next topic is directions on the map. So look here, this is map of India and it is made by Samarth of our class. Samarth,
Please come.
so this is made by Samarth. So now look here, let's discuss about direction of the map. See, there are four main directions. This side is east,
West,
north.
North,
Direction on the top is north and the direction which is
South,
at the bottom is
South.
These are four main directions. But there are few sub-directions also. What are these? This is northeast,
Southeast,
southwest and northwest. So always remember, we have to to write the direction according to our map. Always, this is my
East.
right hand. Right hand is
East.
and my left hand is always
West.
West. This is according to the person who is writing the directions on the map. Fine. And always north is towards the top and south is towards the
Bottom.
Now observe this. This is compass. Look here. This direction is east. This is west. Top is north and bottom is south. And sub directions are also there. Northeast, southeast, southwest and northwest. So we can, let me keep it over here also. See, these are the 4 main directions and 4 sub directions. Pilots and sailors use this compass for determining the direction. So that's all for today. Thank you, children.